Hello, welcome to my video. So I'm gonna show you guys how to braid your hair. But before we start, of course, you want to make sure that your hair is freshly washed. And so that's what I'm doing now. I'm going in with my Maui Moisture shampoo and conditioner. Make sure you don't get it in your eye though. And I'm just gonna scrub away. Next, I'm gonna apply this hair mask. Oh, by the way, I cut my hair like a few weeks ago, and so yeah, that's why I really want to make sure my hair is moisturized. And I also made some rice water. So here it is. I'm just pouring that into the bottle, and then I'm gonna add that to my scalp and hope that it promotes hair growth, which honestly I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm out the shower and now I'm gonna divide my hair into sections. So I like to put my hair into 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and I do it just like that. And I like to start in the front of my head because I feel like it makes braiding your hair a lot more easier. And so I already braided up that section, and I'm gonna show you guys how I part my hair. I like to get my parts as straight as I can. So you just want to make sure that you're really taking your time with the parting. There's no rush, take your time, be patient. And if you feel like the part is straight, then try to get it straighter because it could always be better. That's my take on it, but you want to get it as nice as you can because if the parts are nice, then the braiding looks nice. Then I like to go in with some edge control and make sure that my hair is really smooth and slicked down. Yeah, I go in with the comb, with the brush, with all that. I really just want it to be slick, like snatch slick, okay? And then once you do that, you get your hair, you divide your hair into 3 sections as if, it was a braid. And you want to have one section smaller than the other, and you just go in and braid. And if you don't know how to braid, honestly, it's really not that hard. You just have to keep practicing. Yeah, I don't really know how to explain it, but like if you could just see what I'm doing, like you're just crossing over. The gripping part is not as difficult as it may seem. You just want to make sure that you're gripping your hair and just braiding along it. Honestly, practice makes perfect, so just keep trying if you're finding a hard time with it. And as I'm braiding my hair, I like to comb through the braiding hair so that way there's no tangles at the end. So yeah, make sure you're combing through to prevent any knots or tangles. And once you get to the end of the braid, then you want to make sure that you are tying the end, or if you want to seal the end with a lighter, I don't know, whatever you want to use. I just like to tie hair around it to seal it. And then when I'm doing the front of my hair, I like to lay down my edges into the hair so that way it doesn't like come out, if that makes sense. And yeah, I'm just pretty much doing the same steps. I also like to pin that part down so it doesn't get tied into the braid, just to prevent any like pulling on my edges. Okay, so it's the next day, and I took a break because once I did the front, I was really tired. And so now I'm gonna work on the back, and the back is a little more harder to do because you have to make sure that your angle is good. And you have to make sure you have 2 mirrors so that you can really like get the parts. And so as y'all can see, I have a mirror right here, and then I also am facing a mirror. And so I'm gonna look at this one, and through this, it's kind of hard to explain it, but like I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, so this is what I was referring to, how I have 2 mirrors facing each other so that way I can see what's going on in the back. And parting in the back takes a little bit more patience than it does when parting the front. And so that's why it's really important to have mirrors that you can really see what you're doing and really get back there and, you know, do your thing. Alright, so this is how the back is looking so far, and I want to show you guys how you braid hair that's in like the middle portion of the back of your head, because that's a little bit more difficult. So as you can see, instead of normally braiding like from the side, you have to kind of braid in a downward motion just so you can really grip. So as you can see, I'm like braiding towards the center of my head. It's like you're corn rowing, but going down. So yeah, just keep practicing, you'll get it. Okay, I feel like this is taking forever. Like, I did not think it would take me this long, and to be honest, I'm thinking of picking up the pieces and starting tomorrow, like on the rest of it. That makes sense. I'm doing the rest of it tomorrow because I'm gonna just do one more section, because like, I don't know, I feel like quarantine just made me lazy. Like, normally I would have just knocked this all out in one day, but it's taking me 3 days. Well, it's about to be 3 days tomorrow. But I don't know. But it's okay though, because I'm definitely like taking my time. Like, I'm, especially with the parts in the back, I'm making sure that those are straight. And so I'm gonna show you guys one last time how I part my hair in the back and section all that stuff off and stuff. And then once I finish this row, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, dip it, well, braid it, dip it, cut it, maybe. It's hella long too. It's really long. I kind of like it. So yeah, do all that stuff, and then I'll be done, and I'll have some braids. Okay, so once you're all done with your braids, go ahead and boil you some water, or you could put some water in a cup and make sure it's nice and hot and dip it. And this is to seal the ends and just to make the hair just straight, no straggly ends, nothing like that. And yeah, make sure you have a towel nearby. I like to put the towel on top of my head too, so that the top is also like sealed. I don't know, I just feel like it makes the hair look better. And I'm dipping the other side too. Okay, and these are the finished results. Bomb, bomb. Yes, 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 yes. I love these braids. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys try to do these braids yourself, be sure to show me, tag me, or whatever. I would love to see it. Thank you.